Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I am gonna talk about Christian Dior foundations. This is its older version, this is its new version. Yes, I will tell you all about what is difference between two of them. But before we even start talk, I will tell you I love this new foundation. It looks amazing on me, and also I decided I wanna do something, not just foundation. I also create a beautiful eye look for you using this beautiful Christian Dior eyeshadow. It looks so pretty, and my eyes look so like a blue sea blue. I hope you like this eye look because it will be so easy create for you. Comments below, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and let's start. Yes, I have two foundations. This is its new one, Capture Totale by Dior, and this is its old version. You can see it is slightly a little bit different in borders. This is a little bit more round, but when I ask what difference between them, here it's also two different color, number 20 and this is number 30. But what is different? Difference, of course, with SPF. Old foundation have 25 SPF, new have 20 SPF. But what different? They, Christian Dior, trying to make skincare foundation become more healthy, less chemicals, again more good ingredients. Also, this foundation, it is serum foundation, firming, wrinkle reduction, for dark spots and radiance. Old one, it's also used to be treatment foundation, but again they add more and more benefit here. But I do have both of them, and I do have samples of number 20 from old version, and I really wanna see in my hands what if it's any difference in formula. And I just put number 20, this is its old formula, and let me put number 20 new formula. Also, new foundation have more and more colors, but I need to show you. This is color number 20, Capture Totale right now. And this is Capture Totale, its old version, and it is big difference. But it means if you calling me to replenish your foundation, if you will tell me, oh, I used to be number 20 in old version, I will probably choose number 30. But I don't want to guess. You need to come to see me at Nordstrom Tampa, and I will match you. And for who can come to see me, you can just message me on Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, and reach me, and I will make you samples and I will send you home free shipping. But also, let's try on my skin. On this side I'm gonna use, on right side I'm gonna use new version, and on another side I'm gonna use version old one. I just really wanna feel how different. I already know will be difference in color. But before foundation, I'm gonna use Givenchy primer and color corrector with 20 SPF, and it's color rose. I really like this primer because again I have little bit pigmentation discoloration. It's basically correct, but also I do have a large pores, and this primer, it's kind of feel my pores, and I really like it. Some people will say, oh, it stay on your, it's like stuck products in your pore, but you know what, I actually like it because it just I'm using same amount, 1 pump for this side and 1 pump for this side. But again, it's an older formula. I can tell you right now, I definitely like new version, because how I look it in my mirror right now, this foundation sits much more pretty on my skin. They both feels hydrating. I feel this maybe slightly feels a little bit more creamy, and it's a little bit surprised me, because what I know most serum foundation, it's very light, and it's like they're more like medium coverage. This is definitely full coverage, good hydration foundation, and I'm happy with this pair. And I personally love new Christian Dior foundation better than even old one. It is slightly little bit color, you can see, and if I look at my neck, new version I actually even like better. Okay, let me remove this and then we're gonna do concealer and eyes. My foundation is even. Now I'm gonna use concealer, and I'm using color 2CR. Gonna put a little bit more here. For some reason on this side I always much more darker. I don't know why, it's always darker here. And now I'm gonna use my beauty blender, and I'm just gonna little bit blend this creamy rich concealer from Christian Dior, and it's named Forever Skin Corrector. It is full coverage concealer. I feel also this is beautiful product to retouch, or if you have a little bit more pigmentation, you can apply just more on little spots and cover where you need. I like to leave my concealer and foundation for a few minutes when I'm working with my eyes, because I want my skin a little bit absorb this moisture, and then I will use loose powder. But let's use eyeshadow, and for eyeshadow today we're gonna have Christian Dior color Mitzah. I think maybe I don't pronounce correctly. Number it's 689. It is bronzy, brown and gold. I believe I already have video with this palette, but I think it's a perfect color for fall from Dior. Okay, I put my primer from Urban Decay first. I'm using lighter color and applying eyeshadow almost on entire my eyelid, but we do not come very close to eyebrows. I left a little bit area here. So far eyeshadow looks so pretty. I hope guys you like my video. Please comment below, please subscribe. This video is not gonna be too much. I'm gonna try less complicated. Now I'm gonna use this beautiful burgundy color, which one it's on center, and I push in this deeper burgundy color in like my suckle area. Now I have small tiny brush, and I'm gonna use this deeper dark matte color. With this deeper color I start from bottom and I'm going up. And then I apply this color close to my lash line. Also same deep color I push into my suckle area. And we're almost done, because now I need to get just bigger brush, and all what we're gonna do just blend. Now I'm gonna have my little bit beauty blender, and I have slightly little bit concealer right here, and I'm just gonna clean up. My eyes really looks like smoky gold looking. I'm gonna use right now this beautiful eyeliner from Chanel, and it's like a gold yellow gold eyeliner. It's waterproof, number 48, and I'm gonna use on the corner of my eye. And on top we're gonna use liquid black eyeliner. Today I'm using Tom Ford liquid eyeliner. Next, my step is gonna be Yves Saint Laurent primer for my lashes, and today I'm gonna use this beautiful mascara from Giorgio Armani. I love this brush. It's like a rubber band brush, and it's a great volume, great separation. Ooh, my kid just come home from school, my little Pomeranian barking, but let me quick finish this video for you. Ooh, the cookies, stop! I know they here, I know they here. I don't know if you ever see my dog. I'm not sure if I ever show on my YouTube channel, but you can go to my Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, and you can see some picture of me and my little cookie. He's a like white and black Pomeranian, cutest dogs ever. I think he's like most beautiful in neighborhood, like his mommy. Okay, eyes, it's done. Now I'm gonna use sheer powder from Chanel, and it's La Beige Healthy Glow Color 10. Again, it's a sheer powder just to set my makeup, because Christian Dior foundation, it is full coverage foundation, and I do not need to use too much powder. For a bronze, I'm gonna use number 06. I love this bronze. It's the newest bronze from Dior, and what I like about, I really like color. It's a perfect color for me. If you look, it's kind of too dark, but so far right now this is my like favorite bronze, for one reason, because I like the color. It's not like orangey, it's have like a very natural, beautiful, like a brownish, just pretty perfect color for me. For the blush, I'm gonna use today Rose Fresco from Lancome. I have a little sample, but I love because it's a matte color, and it's kind of like a pinky plummy, maybe. No, it's like a pinky color, because I feel it's too much like orange warm color I have, and I want a little bit different, and I think it will look very pretty with this makeup. Yeah, it is very pretty. Yeah, it's not everything like gold and orangey. My eyes look so pretty. I'm coming to you close, guys. Really pretty. And by the way, for my eyebrows, I use eyebrow pencil from Christian Dior, and it's color Universal. Also, this, if you like this eyeshadow palette, make a huge pop. Look at how my eyes look like sea blue, so pretty. For highlighter, we are gonna use today Bobbi Brown Pink Glow, and I will use same North brush, just a little bit right here. And I don't know, I do usually very soft lip color, but I feel I want little bit color. For my lips, I'm gonna use Yves Saint Laurent brand new lipstick, and it's already on my hand. It's like orangey, like a brighter orangey color. Also, I'm gonna use lip liner number 20 from Yves Saint Laurent, and then I will use lip gloss from Christian Dior, and it's color 643. Okay, I will be right back with my full beautiful lips for you. I'll be honest with you, I do like this lip color. I do like formula, but I really don't care about this applicator. I actually rub my Chanel brush, and I use a little bit around my lips to make my lipstick, my lips looks perfect. Love colors, like formula, and believe me or not, I not gonna put like too much lip gloss really little, just on center of my lips. Because sometimes I will put lip gloss because lipstick looks much more pretty, but this is such a beautiful color on me and I don't need too much juice from lip gloss. I hope you like this video. Yes, I create a look for you today using Christian Dior foundation, and I love this foundation. This looks good. Also, this is warm color for fall. It's perfect for me, and we do sell this on Nordstrom. All products will be listed below. Please comments, please subscribe. I really need your support. If you like it, subscribe. Okay, love you all, and I will see you in my next video.